Okay, these are some doors that I did not a big touch up, but a reasonable job on. They needed lots of work. This window looks good. This is a Dulux exterior paint, and I like it a lot for outside stuff. Now, they've got a new bathroom, and the builders left a piece of sheetrock or drywall sticking up here about 1/4, 5 mil, something high. So yesterday I took and put a light coat of TX stuff on there. And today I'm just going to come back and see if I can make it look nice, because I have to slope it in. It sticks up over on this side, but I'm just using one hand at the moment to do this. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this thing mostly. Get that on there. So that'll be that. I got to get that done so it can be drying. And then I bought some of this Johnstones water-based gloss, and I put one coat on this door yesterday, and it looks pretty good. Used a little mini roller and stuck it on there, and I did about an hour's preparation on this just to make something. There's one run, it looks like. Yes. Because I used a Dulux quick drying gloss a while back, and it ran and ran and ran and would not stay. So this is quite a bit better. I think 2 coats is going to be pretty good. There has some character. See, you can see the difference. So that's that. And all this just needed cleaning up. I had to use the sugar soap and the fungal spray to clean all that, and that's had one little coat of, just a quick coat of gloss on there. And this one had another quick coat. And that looks pretty good. It still needs another one because of the marks in there. So now I think I'm going to have to paint this one too now. But to do the rest of it, I got to get this ceiling patched quickly so that can be dry, and hopefully I'll have another. Yeah, I will have enough of that to do that TX stuff. So there we are. It's a nice bathroom, and I get to do the snag list. So it's gonna look good when we get done. So let's give it a big Johnstones.